Vayámonos de aquí. Vayámonos.
A first-person plural imperative verb form meaning, let's go. It combines the verb,
Ir.
to go, with the pronoun,
Nos.
us, and the imperative mood marker,
Monos.
pronounced,
Vayámonos.
with stress on the second syllable. The
I.
acts as a linking sound between the stem
Va.
and
Monos.
it implies a suggestion or command for the speaker and their companions to depart.
De.
A preposition meaning of, or, from. Pronounced
De.
with a soft and brief
E.
sound. It indicates the origin or point of departure in this sentence.
Aquí.
An adverb meaning here. Pronounced
ah-KEE.
with stress on the second syllable. It specifies the location from which the speaker and their companions are departing. Putting it together,
Vayámonos de aquí.
means, let's go from here, or, let's get out of here. It's a common expression used to suggest departure from a particular location.